All right, so GoHighLevel just released the ability to generate images using AI. You previously were able to do this within the social planner, but now you can do this in the media library as well as in the actual funnels. So I'm going to show you how the function works because not too many people were probably even aware that this existed. So I'm just going to basically show you how you can use it. So the first thing is to obviously log into a sub account, and then you can go back into your settings, click on media, and then click on open media library, and then you can click on create image using AI. Now when you create the image in the media library, if you're familiar with custom values and things like that, you can basically paste this image, sub account wide within funnels, websites, all kinds of stuff, if you know how to properly use custom values and stuff. So what we can do is just click on try an example. That way it just basically, generates something for us. And let's just do this lively music festival crowd, and then we can just do 3 variations, and then we can choose the actual image style. So I'm gonna go with pastel art, and then just click on generate. However, you can obviously choose from any of these, and it's going to take a second to generate these variations, so I'll wait till it does that. Okay, so it's pretty much right as I hit pause, it generated. So you can see here it generates these 3 variations. If I wanted to generate new content, I can just generate 3 new images and see what it comes up with if I didn't necessarily like those. And I'll pause it again until it regenerates. So there it just generated these 3 new variations, and I can basically click on continue, and that's basically going to add this to the media library, and it'll be in the content AI folder. So if I need to use this for a funnel or a website, I can obviously use that pretty easily. And then, like I said, if you're familiar with custom values, you can simply copy this link to the clipboard and then paste it into a custom value that you may have throughout your sites, your funnels, your emails, whatever it is. And then basically, that's how you can use it. Now, there's one last thing I'm going to cover, which is how you can actually mark this particular feature up and just show you where that is and how it works. So if you are on the $497 plan of GoHighLevel under SaaS Configurator, you can see here that we have this content AI, and this was already there, but just like I said, in case you're interested in this particular new feature or whatever, you want to check it out, you can in fact rebill it, and then obviously you just need to make sure first that it's enabled, and then you can change it to whatever amount you like, and then you would just save that. And then underneath the settings, there's another button that says Content AI, and you just need to make sure that that's turned on for that specific sub account, and then basically this would be enabled. So that's the new feature. I probably won't be doing too much of it quite yet, just because there's nothing really that I would necessarily use it for, but I do want to start covering some of these new features and hopefully provide some clarity for everyone about what they do, what they don't do, how they work, and just give you guys some updates. So that is it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video. And make sure, if you're in the GoHighLevel community and want to be a part of more communities, there is a free school group down below. It's a community that I've started with all kinds of people with GoHighLevel in different industries, real estate, solar, roofing, hardwood floor, people that do hardwood floor installations, med spas, literally everything you could think of, and there's about almost 500 of you that are in there. So yeah, if you want to join that, check it out. It's totally free, and hope this video found you well. All right, peace.